Lost without you, can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? Lost without you, can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby?
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrissy, and for today's video I am going to recreate Kim Kardashian's hairstyle. She posted this like 6 hours ago and I fell in love with it, so that's why I'm here. I'm about to show you guys exactly how she did it because I know how to do it and I have the tools. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next, and make sure you turn your post notification on so you don't miss any of my video next time I upload. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and get started. Everything that you're going to need to achieve this look is hairbrush. This is an option but you don't have to. This is an oil treatment that I use. This is the OGX. You can get it from Walmart and Target. Definitely need some hairspray, any type of hairspray, but this is my favorite one. This is the L'Oreal one. I love this brand so much. I've been using this for 2 years now. And you're also going to need some hair ties. I have 2 hair ties right here. And then last but not least, this is one of the most important thing. Obviously, without this, you're not going to be able to achieve it. But this is the crimp curl that I got from Target. I believe I got it from Target. You can do a price check and get it a little bit cheaper. I think I did a little price check from Amazon and it was like $2 cheaper, so definitely check it out. And I'm also gonna put all the description down below so you guys can get it as soon as possible. So now I'm just gonna turn it on and brush my hair. My hair is really long, just like Kim K. So that's why I feel like it was perfect for me to do this, you know? So I like to start on my left side because I'm right-handed, so it's easier for me to just start on this side first and then we can move on to this. So now I'm just gonna separate my hair real quick. I have long hair. You see what I mean when I said it looks healthy? It's because of the oil treatment that I'm using. And I like to start from the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is separate the bottom. And then get another hair tie. So I already have a video on how to crimp your hair, but this is totally different. It's somewhat the same concept, but just a little bit looser, if that makes sense. The other video I have, it's like super volume all the way up. You know what I'm talking about? Curly, really wavy. But this time it's just gonna be a little bit like, it looks like you braided your hair, but at the same time it looks like it's loose at the same time. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start right here so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. You guys be careful when you use this. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see what I mean? Not too hard, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. And then you're going to do the same. So I guess we're just gonna leave it for like 5 seconds. From my last video I left it on for like 20 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. It's so nice. I like it. It looks like I braided my hair. So this is the first You see what I mean? It looks so pretty. How can you not? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil, just like that. Put it all over your hand. Just don't go too crazy with the oil though. Like I said, it might be too much. Just like that. It's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna do another section, and then I'm gonna divide my hair like this and put this down. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Again, just put a little bit of oil and then just just like that. And then I'm gonna add some hairspray. This to this. Oh my god. Look how pretty this is. I'm gonna do this side now. Same concept. And we are done. This is done. Now just add some oil and we're good to go. And here's the final look. Just trying to get rid of the hairs. But yeah guys, so this is the look, this is the hairstyle. What do you guys think?
Lost without you, can't help myself. Hard to see through. Tonight I'm headed to bed. Lost without you, can't help myself. Hard to see through. Tonight I'm headed to bed.